If the watch video tab is missing from the Facebook app, you have come to the right video. I will show you 5 steps to bring back the watch video option. If the first 4 options don't work, the last one will definitely help. Open the Facebook app and tap and hold on any icon in the navigation bar. Select Customize Shortcut bar. If watch is listed as an available shortcut, tap on it, then pin to add to your navigation bar. However, if watch is not on the available list, move on to the next step. Go to the Play Store and check if the Facebook app requires an update. If an update is available, update the Facebook app. Sometimes bugs cause this type of problem and updating the app can solve it. If it's still not solved, move to the next step. Go to the Facebook app info option in your phone settings, then tap on storage and clear the cache and data. After that, open the Facebook app and check if the watch option appears in the shortcut bar navigation menu. If not, then move to the next step. If none of the above solutions work, you can report the problem directly to Facebook. Take a screenshot of your Facebook feed showing the missing watch tab. Tap on Help and Support, then report a problem. Click on Include, scroll down and click on Videos. Write a description of the issue and upload the screenshot. Then click on the send icon. I have included a report issue template in my video description. You can copy and paste it into the text box before sending. I hope after reporting, the Facebook support team will soon fix this issue. Tap and hold on the Reels tab and select Hide from Shortcut bar. Close and reopen the Facebook app. Now tap on the search bar and type video. You will see the video icon. Tap on it, then go back to the search bar and click on the three dot icon next to the video option. Select Pin this search so that it remains at the top. Whenever you want to watch videos, just go to the search bar and click on the video icon. I have tried many methods, but this is the only one that works right now. I think it's a bug that Meta will fix soon, or perhaps Meta is intentionally doing this for a short period to encourage the use of Reels. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more informative tips and tricks.